Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into Zendesk as an agent. Once authenticated, open New Ticket immediately. Explain why. This captures the customer request and creates an audit trail. In the form, type the requester contact, a clear subject, and a concise description that states the issue and expected outcome. Set priority and assign a group to route work. Add relevant tags for searchability. Make sure to select channel so replies follow the right workflow, and click Submit to create the ticket now. Once the ticket exists, triage it by reviewing history and attachments. This tells you what troubleshooting already happened and why. Use macros to speed replies, but edit them so the message fits the customer and avoids robotic tone. Add internal notes for teammates and upload logs or screenshots. This preserves context. Set SLA targets and update custom fields so reporting stays accurate. Then change status based on next action, open, pending, or on hold, so the ticket lifecycle is clear to everyone. You resolve the ticket by documenting the fix, then ask the requester to confirm the issue is closed. That verification prevents premature closure and repeats. Update the knowledge base with the root cause and steps you took, so future tickets resolve faster. Send the satisfaction survey to capture feedback and improve processes. If the customer reports the problem continues, reopen or escalate the ticket, link related tickets, and create follow-up tasks. Troubleshooting tip: if automations misroute tickets, check triggers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.